Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
5 little crabs went out to play, scuttling along the beach all day. Mother crab said pinch, 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 but only 4 little crabs came back. 4 little crabs went down to the sand, digging and burrowing hand in hand. Mother crab said pinch, 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 but only 3 little crabs came back. 3 little crabs went out to explore, waving their claws along the shore. Mother crab said pinch, 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 but only 2 little crabs came back. 2 little crabs went dancing around, making small craters in the soft ground. Mother crab said pinch, 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 but only 1 little crab came back. 1 little crab went splashing in the sea, feeling the waves so wild and free. Mother crab said pinch, 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 but none of the little crabs came back. Sad mother crab searched high and low, looking for her crabs in a row. Pinch, 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 she called with care, and all 5 little crabs came running there. They scuttled and played from morning till night, dancing together with claws so bright. 5 little crabs were happy and proud, playing and pinching in a laughing crowd.